Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to search for filters on Instagram in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, click on post option, tap on history and swipe left, filter. Okay, then another, and just tap this option, click, and then tap on search option. Okay, tap on search option and search on any filters. Okay, then search for pink, then all pink filters, just tap and pink filter and try another, then zoom filter and zoom. That's all. To search for filters on Instagram in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.